Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Rubik's Orbit. So this, I just scratched out like the address and like the phone number because of privacy reasons. So I'm going to be unboxing the, I actually don't know. So, I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know. So I'm just going to start opening it. Let's see. So that, and today is my birthday, so I got this as my birthday present. Just opening that. Okay, on this side. Alright, come on, just open already. Okay, and so random piece of cardboard, and oh, there it is, some air packets and the Rubik's Orbit. So, in here, so that is the Rubik's Orbit. And there's also this Rubik's Edge, which I have, and the Rubik's Cube, which I also have, but I don't have the tower. And yeah, I'm just gonna, so that is the dear customer, blah, 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 blah. Okay, that's just random stuff. Okay, and I'm gonna try to figure out how to open this. Okay, there's something over there. You just need to cut that, I guess. Sorry. I can't get in that gap. Okay, there. Okay, so I cut that, and then now it should open. Alright, and this side, more tape. And, oh, come on. Okay, so I cut in there. Come on, how long does this take to open? Okay, finally. Okay, at this point I'm just gonna rip it open. Okay, finally. Wait, what? Huh? Wait, what? How is this meant to open? Okay, I'm just gonna try to like, oh, there's something here. Oh, there's heaps of flaps. Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, just wait, I'll open these all and I'll be right back. Okay, so I opened this, so these two come out and that comes off. And okay, so there's tape on these sides. And okay, this package really sucks. They should make this easier to open because you have to cut so much things. Okay, finally, and then you get this, which is, okay, that pops off. And this bit, alright, wait, one step closer, but only one. Oh, okay, I got the cubes after so long. So this is the Rubik's Orbit, and oh, it turns like that. Okay, that's good. Okay, this cube is pretty bad quality. I mean, it turns very slow. And okay, this kind of looks easy to solve. Oh. Okay, never mind. I mean, it's a bit harder than I thought it'd be. I think I could solve that though. So yeah, that's basically it for this video, guys. I'll be making a video on how to solve this, of course. And yeah, bye. See you in my next video.